Hello friends, subscribe my channel. IDP examination based question provided by my channel. Today I am discuss about the IELTS vocabulary. How can pass the exam? Let's read out. Read out these important structures so that you can know very well. How many words to need to achieve the band score? A1 500 words, only 2 bands. A2 intermediate 1000 words you know about. B1 2000 word. B2 4000 word for 5 to 6 7 8000 was 7 to 8 band, whereas 16,008 to 9 band. So you can see there they are the number of the words you know, then you easily pass out your exam. So always read your number of the books so that you catch the some words which are uncommon and essential to use it. Never use a simple language. Always write active, passive. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.